Hi everyone, I'm Christie Natashia from Technical Assistance. So today I would like to share to you guys about few hacks that actually you can do for Ethernet cables or so-called LAN cables. So just keep watching on this video, guys. So these are the stuff that we are going to do for the very first hacks. So I have the tester, crimper, LAN cables, what is this? Oh, RJ45 and black tape. Lastly, scissors. So let's just get started. Here is the LAN cable, and we are going to cut at this length, at this long. So let's grab a scissors and just cut it nicely. And guys, just make sure you didn't cut the inner wire, otherwise your LAN cable your LAN cable is not going to work. So just cut it. Actually you can use a stripper instead of scissors, but then I don't have stripper, so I'm just gently using scissors to cut it. Okay. Did I cut the inner wire? Okay. Hopefully no. Let me focus this. Okay. Hopefully I didn't cut the inner wire. Here. Wow. Bend it a bit and twist it. You are going to face these kind of things if you really don't have a stripper. I think I should cut at this part a bit. Oops. Oh. And here we are. So let's see what's inside the LAN cable. All the color cable and something like this is called bone, and this is a white thread. All we need is actually this color cable, and this remaining is not longer used, so we are going to cut this away. So yeah, we are supposed to untwist these all cables like this. So I'll untwist this. I have untwist this, and after this we are going to straighten this. Straighten it nicely. I've straightened this, and the color sequence is white, orange, white, blue, and green. After that, white, green, blue, white, brown, and brown. This is actually the color sequence for a normal Ethernet cable, but at this hack we are going to make something like this. The blue is moved here, so this 4 is the first section: white, orange, white, blue, blue, and the second section is white, green, white, brown, brown. So we split them into 2 parts. And guys, I forgot to tell you guys, don't throw this thing the LAN cable sleeve that you cut it just now. This is quite useful. So with this, I'm going to cut these into half. Okay, these here. Bum. Okay, cut. I got 2 sleeves already. Oh, it's not at the same length. Never mind. And oops, put this inside. Here and another section. Oh my god. Guys, if you guys try this at home, just make it nicely and cut them into 2 at the same length. It's not really nice now. Okay, never mind. I'm going to tap this part using a black tape. Ding, 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 ding. Here's the tape and tape it. Okay, all good. And I'm going to put RJ45 in here. So I'm now using a Cat 5 RJ45. Let me focus on this. This is RJ45. And this is, this is RJ45 as well, but this one is Cat 6. But today I'm going to use a Cat 5 only. Remember the color sequence: white, orange, orange, white, blue, blue. And we are going to insert the cables into RJ. Okay, at this length. Cut. Oops. Ding. Put it in like this way and make sure you put it in the right sequence and make it insert into the first 1, 2, 3, the whole first, second, third, and the sixth. Let me do this first. Okay, like this one. First, second, third hole, and lastly is sixth. Make it nicely, and after that you have to make sure, you need to check at this part. Sorry for not a good quality of video that I show to you guys. Make sure you see, can you see the yellow cable, in here? Make sure that it's touching at the end of your RJ45. And the other thing that you need to check is your sleeve here. So you need to put it in until your sleeve at this section. There is a line here. It's like kinda measurement that make sure your sleeve is go pass through this line. So your LAN cable is durable. It won't easily broke when you won't easily broken when you bend it. So we have to make something like this, and crimp it using a crimper. Okay, after this, all good, everything good, and now is the crimping time. So this is the crimper. So oh yeah, put it inside, and when you are going to crimp it, you need to put at this way, so the wire, the LAN cable color wire is touching this while you are crimping it. So yeah. Oops. Did I break it? Okay, no. Okay. And here I have crimped this one already. And guys, you have to do the same thing to this side too. And here we are. I have just crimped this one, and you have to do the same thing to this section as well. So after you finish this part, you have to do on the other side as well. So I'm not going to show to you guys that I'm doing all of this because it's taking way too long for making this. It's taking way too long for this video. So I actually have prepared a sample, and it is here. Okay. And after that, we are going to testing it whether it's working or not. So let's see. Let me focus this. Okay. And this one. So make sure that when you're doing testing, you need to plug in the right one. So this one is one set, the white orange one, and white orange, you can see the orange here is one set, and the green one and the other green is one set. So, and here we are. I have just finished crimping this one, and all you need is just continue on this section. So once you finish all of this side, you guys need to continue on this other side. So sorry, but I'm not going to show to you guys the whole steps because it's just doing the same thing repeatedly. So I have prepared a LAN cable that I have done both sides, and here it is. And now I'm going to test it using a LAN cable tester. And here we have two sets here, but make sure you have to match it. So you see this one, the first one is the white, orange, and orange. You need to match with this one. So if you connect using the others one, it won't have the connection. So make sure you match it first before you plug it. So I'm going to turn on the what do you call that? LAN tester. Turn it on, and then this as well. choose this one. After that, you need to plug it in here, your Ethernet cable. Don't forget to match it. This one is the first one, and the other side, yeah, this one. It shows something like this. So it means your Ethernet cable have connection. I'm going to test using another head of RJ, so whether it got connection or not. I try to plug it with the second RJ, and the other side is the first RJ. Because it has no connection, so it won't be ping. Let's try to change this one with the second one and connect with the other second Ethernet. And it says got connection here. And that's all for the very first hack. And it comes to my second hack, which is converting a straight LAN cable to a crossover LAN cable. So in this step, I'm not going to cut this the head of the Ethernet cable, also called RJ45, and what I have here in my hand is a normal straight LAN cable here. And here, as you guys can see, these both sides are using a type B color sequence for LAN cable, and crossover are actually using a different type of color sequence. So the crossover is using type B on one side, the others is using a type A on the other side. So just keep watching on this video, and I will show you how to convert it. First of all, I would like to show to you guys that okay, I'm going to test this using a LAN tester to show to you that this is a straight LAN cable. So I'm turning it on. Oh, it's on already for this. Yeah. And here I have cut the sleeve like this way, and then try to pull it a bit so you can see the inner wire here. But then this is not long enough, so you see got the white threads here, so you just need to pull it. Pull it up, pull it, and unsleeve this as long as this will be enough. So I'm going to cut the remaining part here. And here the cable that we need to cut into half is only the green one and the orange one, including the white, green and white, orange. So I'm going to cut this into half. And then we no longer need this. I mean, like, you're not going to cut this, they will stay still here, and don't need this bone as well, so I just remove it. here. After that, we need to untwist these cables here. So I'll be back and I have done untwist the cables, and after that you need to straighten the cables as well. After you straighten this, the next step is you try to connect them with this color sequence. So the first one is green with orange and white green with white orange, and then white orange with white green, white orange with white green, and orange with green. I'll repeat this again. So we are going to connect with the green color and orange, white green to orange, white orange I mean, white orange to white green, orange and green. And the way to connect them is you need to unsleeve this gently and get the yellow cable inside. So I find easier way to cut it instead of using scissors. So I have the nail clipper. So let me show you how to do this. Just cut at this length and then clip it gently, and make sure you didn't cut the whole thing. Here I have cut this sleeve, but it is not supposed at this length, so you need to cut a bit deeper here. Here I have done, and to make it look nice, just tape on this whole thing here. So grab a black tape and scissors. It's not really taped all over the place, so I'm going to tape this part again. Okay, done. Now I have a crossover LAN cable now, and it's time to test it. So turn it on. Oh, this is on already. Try to plug it, and then the other side. Here. See, it says it's connected, but it is a crossover LAN cable now.